Yeah, morning guys. So we're looking at JPY pairs this morning. As you can see here, South African time 1 a.m. It's currently 1 a.m. 30 minutes before the release. Our expectation is for this to come out green. So if we look here with UJ on the 4-hour ascending channel for price to break out to the downside. We've got an entry. We're currently in this trade. If I zoom in on the 1 hour, another ascending channel for price to break out to the downside. We're currently in at 159.50, currently in slight drawdown, but expectations for price to break out to the downside. If I look at New Zealand JBY, it's another pair. Again, ascending channel for price to break out to the downside. We've got a sell limit at 86.8750, not 4, at the 78.6, as well as an extra key level. So yeah, we expect price to break out of this descending channel. If you look at UJ, same thing. So our expectation is for this figure to come out green, as well as 20 minutes later the Bank of Japan have their summary of opinions. So yeah, we're expecting positive data release. However, this being green will be worse, will be bad for the Japanese yen though. So it will have to be an in-out trade. Once the price moves, we'll hold it and then we'll be done and we'll be out. But yeah, currently it's 1 a.m. South African time. Nice and early or nice and late. So yeah, let's see what we get. So currently price came out and it came out at 2.4, which is green. We expected that, and we had that straight drop. We did have a sell at 9.5. However, I did take one just before the release at 151.03. Stop loss is at break even, so the trade's running risk free. The 1 hour closes a bearish engulfing, so now we just wait and see. So yeah, back to bed and seeing if we wake up in profit. Yeah, so just an update with the UJ trade. So what happened was we had that bearish engulfing at that release 2.4. I then decided to go to sleep. It was 1 a.m. South African time. However, after reading this report, it was 2 a.m. South African time, so I decided to go to sleep. They did highlight a bit of caution with the Bank of Japan summary of opinions, so I was being cautious, and what happened was I went to bed with the stop loss at break even with that top entry at 151. Unfortunately, this wicked me out. Stop loss was hit at break even, so I did not lose anything. However, my smaller position a little bit lower down, that came in profit after this bearish engulfing. I closed, and then yeah, so it wasn't as big as what it could have been, so price broke out. If I look from that top position down 103 pips, unfortunately I missed the 103 pips. I caught about 5 or 10 of those pips. But yeah, so pattern played out. Technicals won here. Unfortunately, I was cautious. I wanted to protect my account. I've been burnt in the past, so that is okay. Yeah, I didn't lose anything off this trade. We could have made a lot. Unfortunately, there will be trades next week. So yeah, unfortunately missed out, but it was a good trade on the end. Hi guys, I'm Connor, a full-time trader. If you're interested in trading like me, visit the website below or click on the link in description.